Now, considering this question, we are to prove that the left-hand side is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. So let's get started. We are given that root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Now, at this point, for us to be able to simplify things, we are going to multiply the left-hand side by the conjugate of the denominator. So we have this to be root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta multiply the conjugate of the denominator becomes root of 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Recall that from sorts, if we have root of a divided by b, this can be expressed as root a divided by root b. So therefore, at this point, we now have that this is root 1 plus cos theta divided by root of 1 minus cos theta multiply by root of 1 plus cos theta, or divided by root of 1 plus cos theta. I'm going to show that this is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Also, recall from solve that if I have root of a multiplied by root of b, this can be expressed as root a b. So we apply this rule at the numerator and also at the denominator. So we have this to become root of 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta, all divided by root of 1 minus cos theta multiplied by 1 plus cos theta, and we have to show that this is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. So the numerator becomes root of 1 plus cos theta all squared. Now, if we expand this bracket, I know that this is a difference of 2 squared, but we can have that this is 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times cos theta is plus cos theta, minus cos theta times 1 is minus cos theta, and minus cos theta times cos theta is minus cos squared theta. And we're to show that this is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. So at this point, we know that square will cancel out root, and at the denominator we have it that plus cos theta will cancel out minus cos theta. So we're left with 1 plus cos theta divided by root of 1 minus cos squared theta. And we have to show that this is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. So now, remember that from trig identity, that sine theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos squared theta. So therefore, at this point, we are going to replace our denominator by sine theta. So we now have that this is 1 plus cos theta divided by sine theta will be equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Now at this point at the left hand side, I require again that if I have a plus b divided by c, this can be written as a divided by c plus b divided by c. Thus, at the left hand side, we have that this is 1 divided by sine theta plus cos theta divided by sine theta. And from basic trig identity, we know that the reciprocal of sine is equal to cosec, and cos theta divided by sin theta is given as cot theta. Thus, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So, we have been able to prove that the left-hand side is equal to cos theta plus cot theta. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video, and for this video to get to more people, please encourage us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you for doing that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.